Intel has just launched their next generation processors at CES 2022, and my goodness, they are touting some big things with these processors. Supposedly, these processors are going to be on par, if not better, than M1 Max. Now, I personally do not believe that they'll be able to outperform M1 Max as of now. However, they're in a step in the right direction. They also launched a K-series of processors for Alder Lake, which in general they have been improving. Of course, the i9 is the one that they're quoting that will be better than the M1 Max. We'll have to see, of course, because power efficiency is a big thing with these chips, and Apple's just winning out with this argument. Of course, in the future, we hope to see more people get on board with just developing better chips and compete with Apple Silicon. As of now, Apple's just dominating this market. And I think that we will see a resurgence in Intel in the next couple of years because of this technology. They also released their H-series of 12-gen Alder Lake processors, and if you know anything about Intel, this is their laptop line of processors, as along with their Evo lineup, which is their power efficiency lineup to compete directly with Apple Silicon. Now, these processors have been significantly improved with their TDP ranging around 10 watts, and of course we're going to see more testing and benchmarks in the coming weeks when these things launch to everyone. Overall, a really exciting time for Intel.